Takulandirani ku amtv Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Thank you very much. Allow me this afternoon to welcome the chairperson of the Malawi Electoral Commission, Justice Annabel Mtalimanja, commissioners of the Malawi Electoral Commission, Make Chief Elections Officer Mr. Andrew Mpesi, and your deputies and also colleagues in management from MEC and the entire staff establishment. Let me also appreciate the presence of the representative of the Inspector General of the Malawi Police Service, Assistant Commissioner of Police Mr. Peter Kalaya, and also representative of the Commissioner General for Malawi Prison Service Mr. Vincent Sungwe. Colleagues from the media, you are welcome. This is the final public engagement of the Commission regarding or pertaining to the 16th September general election. So the order of the activities will be that shortly I'll be inviting the Make Chief Elections Officer to give us a few remarks. After his remarks, he is also going to introduce the Commission and thereafter invite the chairperson to give us the final declaration of results. So let me invite the Chief Elections Officer. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a marathon, and now we are here. Allow me to recognize the presence of the chairperson of the Malawi Electoral Commission, Justice Annabel Mtalimanja, and all commissioners of the Malawi Electoral Commission that are present here. And also let me recognize the presence of my two deputies that are here, Mr. Kankwalala and Mr. Bota, and all members of the management from the Malawi Electoral Commission, and all members of staff that are here from the Malawi Electoral Commission. I have seen we have the presence of Mr. Otieno, the Chief Technical Advisor on Election from the UNDP under the MESI program. You are here. We recognize your presence. May I also take advantage this time around to recognize the presence of the senior officers from the Malawi Police and Malawi prisons that are present here. Members of various civil society organizations and faith organizations accredited to the 16th September 2025 general elections that are present here, and all members of the political parties, representatives that are here, members of the press. You've been with us since we started this journey. Allow me to recognize your presence. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my singular honor and privilege this afternoon, in my capacity as Chief Elections Officer of the Malawi Electoral Commission, to warmly welcome you all to this very, very important occasion. The official declaration of results for the local government elections that were held on 16th September 2025, and also the last day for the Commission regarding management of results for the 16th September 2025 general elections. My humble duty this afternoon is to welcome you all, to reflect on the work we have accomplished together since preparations began in 2023, and I can say even way back 2022. To appreciate the many institutions and individuals who made this process possible, and to introduce members of the Commission, as the convener said, and to finally invite the Honorable Chairperson of the Malawi Electoral Commission to deliver results, official results for the local government for those remaining wards. If you would allow me just to take you back to the 2nd August 2024, when the Commission convened electoral stakeholders right here in Lilongwe to officially launch the electoral calendar. We unveiled the theme of these elections, promoting democratic leadership through your vote. This theme was not chosen at random. It was a product of careful reflection on the state of our democracy and the role that every Malawian plays in shaping the future of our nation. In essence, it's a theme that was meant to be both inspirational and instructional. It spoke to citizens about the power of their vote, to the candidates about the responsibility of leadership, and to the entire nation about the importance of nurturing the democratic culture. Today, as we conclude the results determination process and officially declare the final results, we can see how this theme has played out in practice. Malawians turned out to vote in large numbers, exercising their sovereign right with dignity, and political parties and candidates engaged vigorously, but largely within the boundaries and the confines of the democratic norms. And the Commission worked tirelessly to ensure transparency and fairness. All these efforts combined have promoted democratic leadership, leadership chosen by people through their vote in a fair and free electoral process, that is. And ladies and gentlemen, let me once again, on behalf of the Commission, acknowledge the roles played by various electoral stakeholders since we started this journey for the preparation of 2025 general elections. The successful completion of these elections did not happen by just chance. It was intentional. It is a product of a long planning, careful coordination, and contribution of countless stakeholders, and determination of the leadership of the Commission to make sure that the process is credible. Since 2020, when preparations began, the Malawi Electoral Commission has had privilege to walk this journey hand in hand with the government institutions, political parties, independent candidates, civil society organizations, development partners, the media, and most importantly, the citizens of this country. And special recognition must also go to my colleagues in the Secretariat, the Malawi Electoral Commission Secretariat. You worked long hours, often under intense pressure and scrutiny. You sacrificed rest and family time, but never compromising on the diligence of professionalism. And this, I must thank you all. To each one of you, I say thank you for your patriotism and for serving Malawi selflessly. And this is what we want. And we need to continue doing that. So before inviting the chairperson to make an official declaration, allow me to emphasize that to do right, it is an intention. We need to intend to do what is right. And when you do things according to law, you don't have a lot of explanation on the decision that you make. And as a Secretariat of the Malawi Electoral Commission, we need to continue on those parameters. Do what is right. If we do that, as public servants, we are going to contribute immensely, positively, to the democratic culture of this country. Allow me, therefore, to introduce to you the commissioners that are present this afternoon. We have Commissioner Dr. Sarah Rimikani-Kamulongera, Commissioner Dr. Emmanuel Fabiano, Commissioner Reverend Philip Kambulire, Commissioner Richard Chapweteka, and Commissioner Harry Haswell Kanjewe. Allow me, therefore, ladies and gentlemen, to invite the Honorable Chairperson of the Malawi Electoral Commission, Justice Annabel Mtalimanja, to deliver the official declaration of the local government results. I thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, CEO. Commissioners of the Malawi Electoral Commission here present this afternoon, MEC staff, allow me to say distinguished MEC staff, led by the CEO, DCOs, F&A and Ops, and not just make staff here at the National Tally Center, but everywhere from Chitipa to Nsanje. Security agencies here present, UN Family, media houses, and SIMO, Team SIMO, who have been with us since we started operations here at the National Tally Center. On behalf of the Malawi Electoral Commission, I am honored and deeply pleased to present us again this afternoon to finally and officially declare the remaining results for the 2025 local government elections. Since polling day on 16 September, the Commission has been working tirelessly to ensure that every single vote that was cast by Malawians on 16 September should be properly counted, recorded, and transmitted in accordance with the law. We have done this with the highest level of diligence, professionalism, and integrity, because we know that every vote represents a voice of trust, hope, and democratic expression. From the time that the polls closed on 16 September, the Commission and staff have been engaged in a meticulous process of results management, including verification, reconciliation, and approval of results from each polling center all the way through to the Council. This is a process that demanded accuracy and patience, as it determines the ultimate reflection of the will of the people, to which we owe our fidelity. As you all are aware, the law provides the Commission with 21 days from polling day within which to determine, announce, and declare the results of the local government elections. Today is day 19 after polling. We are well within the time frame provided by the law, and today we close with the final declarations. This timeline is not accidental. It is a deliberate safeguard built into the electoral process to allow the Commission adequate time to complete the critical task of verification and determination of the results. The goal is to ensure that the results that we announce to the people of Malawi are not rushed, but are credible, transparent, and reflective of the true choice made by Malawians on the ballot. The past 19 days, the Commission has been receiving, considering, and resolving complaints that arose during and after polling, as required by Section 96 of the Presidential, Parliamentary, and Local Government Elections Act. Each complaint was handled with the seriousness that it deserves, ensuring that fairness and justice prevailed at every step of the process. Only after all the necessary reviews and determinations were concluded did the Commission proceed to finalize the results for those councils where the processes were completed to our satisfaction, using the law as our framework. As required, all complainants have either been formally communicated already, or they'll be duly informed of our decisions of each respective case that was lodged with us. Furthermore, the decisions taken by the Commission on these complaints have been documented in the record of determination of results as required by the law. Therefore, as we're meeting this afternoon, we are doing so with confidence that the results we're about to announce have passed through a thorough and transparent process of scrutiny, and that they do accurately reflect the will of the people of Malawi. Allow us also to remind the nation that if there are still concerns or disputes regarding the outcome of the elections, our legal framework provides a clear pathway for redress. Political parties, candidates, or any aggrieved party is entitled, under the law, to challenge the results through a petition to the High Court. Such petition must be filed within 7 days of the date of this declaration. Having come this far, and with the final declaration, the Commission will no longer be receiving and addressing any complaint, because that avenue stands closed by operation of the law. The Commission is also reminding all stakeholders that having come this far, any grievances must be pursued strictly through the prescribed legal channels, and no complaint should be sent to the Commission or indeed any member of staff. Now allow us to talk briefly about the examination of void votes for the local government elections. In accordance with Section 96 of the Presidential, Parliamentary and Local Government Elections Act, the Commission is supposed to examine votes classified as void at the polling stations and to affirm or correct the decisions of the presiding officers if their total, that is the total of the void votes, is significant to affect the outcome of the election. In other words, where the total number of void votes is greater than the difference between the first and second place candidates, the Commission is supposed by law to examine the void votes. Therefore, in accordance with the law and based on the results that the Commission received, the Commission examined void votes in the following wards across the country, and the effect of that examination is reflected in the final tally. First of all, in the results that we announced on 3rd of October and those that we'll announce today. For the information of the public, these are the wards that the Commission had to examine void votes: Karonga Lufilia, Kaporo Ward; Nzimba Perekezi, Boma Ward; Nzimba Central, Balachanda Ward; Nzimba City Southwest, Nchenga Ward; Nkadabe South, Tukombo Ward; Kasungu North-Northeast, Tabwa Ward; Nkota Central, Mawira Ward; Lilongwe Pirilanjuzi, Chiputu Ward; Lilongwe Mapuyu North, Mapuyu Ward; Lilongwe Nkoma, Nkuza Ward; Salima Central, Kalonga Ward; Salima Central East, Maganga Ward; Dedza Mayani, Chilanga Ward; Nchewu Northwest, Mpepo Zinai Ward; Mangochi North, Makanjira Ward; Machinga Southeast, Sakwi Ward; Machinga East, Gatuli Ward; Machinga Nkungulu, Mpale Ward; Mangochi Municipality, Shikole Ward; Zomba City South, Jambo Ward; Zomba Changalume, Namadzi Ward; Neno East, Matope Ward; Mulanje Southeast, Mimosa Ward; Mulanje Central, Tabwa Ward; Cholo Central, Mchima Ward; Chikwawa Central West, Nchalo Ward; and Nsanje Lalanje, Mlonda Ward. We now come to the declaration of the local government election results. Having thoroughly reviewed and determined all complaints and queries that were lodged in connection with the 2025 local government elections, the Commission is satisfied that due process has been fully observed at every stage of the electoral cycle. All concerns raised by candidates, political parties, and other stakeholders were duly considered in accordance with the provisions of the Presidential, Parliamentary and Local Government Elections Act. After this careful and transparent review, the Commission finds that the conduct of the elections was free, fair, transparent, and credible, and that the results that we're declaring represent the true and genuine will of the people in their respective wards. Therefore, in line with sections 96, 97, 98 of the Presidential, Parliamentary and Local Government Elections Act, exercising the powers vested in the Malawi Electoral Commission, I, Justice Annabel Mtalimanja, hereby declare the following candidates as duly elected ward councillors for their respective wards. We will start with Lilongwe District, Lilongwe Nkoma, Nkuza Ward, Lefani Zikabuma, MCP, 3,767 votes. Dedza District, Dedza Mayani, Chilanga Ward, Richard Madalitso, Independent, 5,875. Dedza Mlunduni, Zindevu Ward, Fales Wilson, MCP 7,428. Dedza Mlunduni, Makota, Lembiala, Molisi, Kumanani, MCP 7,035. Dedza Kasina, Kundi Ward, Matthews Matemba Dyson, MCP 13,276. Dedza Kasina, Chitowo Ward, Stanley Manasse, MCP 5,675. Dedza Mtakataka, Matowe Ward, Charles Chitule, DPP 1,786. Dedza Mtakataka, Mankamba Ward, Alec James Banda, Independent 6,143. Dedza Lintipe, Chimbia Ward, Prince Efisoni Chigola, MCP 10,552. Dedza Lintipe, Kampini Ward, Angela Aisha Chipalapata, Independent 7,647. Dedza Boma Bembeke, Charles Pascale Mtambalika, MCP 6,576. Dedza Boma Umbwi Ganizani Piri, MCP 3,865. Dedza Golomoti Kwekwelele, Damasio Alberto Shinseu, DPP 3,533. Dedza Golomoti Kapili Ward, Gelson Martin Dengu, Independent 4,910. Dedza Chikoma Katewe Ward, Frederick Katonta, MCP 11,983. Dedza Chikoma Magomero, Joseph Beshani Ntambala, Independent 5,991. Dedza Mpunzi Malembo Ward, Isaac Nkalifwa, MCP 5,075. Dedza Mpunzi Tete Ward, Joseph Kwenda, MCP 5,073. Dedza Dzalanyama Chimoto Ward, Gray Kalawe, MCP 9,383. Dedza Dzalanyama Kafere Ward, Boston Chidangwe. Let me take that again. Dedza Dzalanyama Kafere Ward, Boston Chidangwe, Independent 5,928. Tsopano tipite ku Nchewu. Nchewu North, Masasa Ward, Owen Maloya, DPP 2,399. Nchewu North, Lizulu, Kennedy Olex Dixon, DPP 2,707. Nchewu Bwanje, Kasinje Ward, Lucius Mlenga, DPP 4,915. Nchewu Bwanje, Kandewu Ward, Gabriel Edward Misomali, DPP 4,066. Nchewu Northwest, Ziembe Ward, Martini Blyoni, Independent 2,293. Nchewu Northwest, Mpepo Zinai, Chikondi Jumbe Robert, Independent 2,332. Nchewu Central East, Chawanje Ward, Hamida Kupelani Lamba, Independent 2,454. Nchewu Central East, Mvimbo Ward, Samson Naluso, DPP 7,424. Nchewu Central, Bangala Ward, Misheki Bestoni, Independent 3,788. Nchewu Central, Gomanishikuse, Jumbe Kunimba Mambo, UTM 4,002. Nchewu Mzonzivai, Kambilonjo, Jacob Martin Jagomelana, DPP 3,699. Nchewu Dzomzimvai, Tsangano, Elia Moroson Kadula, DPP 4,219. Nchewu Central East, Bawi, Mark Samson Kapwiti, DPP 5,773. Nchewu Central East, Champiti, Henrik Kainga, DPP 3,759. Nchewu South, Mtonda, Innocent Kapwio, DPP 4,217. Nchewu South, Likudzi Ward, Fanwell Katete UTM, 3,430. Tipite tsopano ku Mangochi North, Makanjira North, Abdallah Yusuf, Independent, 6,354. Mangochi North, Makanjira South, Aliyah Daudi Musa, DPP, 4,258. Mangochi Lutende, Namavi Ward, Musa Akibu, UDF, 2,349. Mangochi Lutende, Mbwazi, Chalamanda, Brave Ize, DPP, 5,361. Mangochi East, Katuli North, Tsabola Twaha, DPP, 3,342. Mangochi East, Katuli South, Daudi Shaibu, DPP, 4,254. Mangochi Mankbe Ward, Michael Mauka, DPP, 6,895. Mangochi Mankebe Nkope Ward, Gusuto Ngondoma, DPP, 9,286. Mangochi West, Malembo, Montfort Matthews Scotch, DPP, 6,137. Mangochi West, Kabudira, Isaiah Simon Banda, DPP, 2,985. Mangochi Central, Koche Ward, Anna Patricia Nkuu, DPP, 6,854. Mangochi Central, Tundu Ward, Adini Saulosi, DPP, 3,967. Mangochi Northeast, Malindi, Mush James Islam, DPP, 9,578. Mangochi Masongola, Mandimba Ward, Ilyasa Sauzande, DPP, 8,932. Mangochi Masongola, Majuni Ward, Musa Mwanyali Chigana, DPP, 6,022. Mangochi Southwest, Katema Ntimabi, Daudi DB Bata, DPP, 7,113. Mangochi Southwest, Chilipa Ward, Akumbolela Wanja, DPP, 6,307. Mangochi South, Chipunga Ward, Janet Gia, DPP, 5,415. Mangochi South, Nilimba, Socrates, Adjutanti Aufi, DPP, 5,910. Mangochi Malombe, Maiwa Ward, Jawadu Kapoka, DPP, 4,637. Mangochi Malombe, Masanje Ward, Charles Chilambo, DPP, 5,435. Mangochi Nkungulu Tundu, Aaron Kanyama, DPP, 5,370. Mangochi Nkungulu Mpale Ward, Faison Banda, DPP, 4,341. Mangochi Municipality, Kalungu Ward, Kenneth Kwila Chimombo, DPP, 1,772. Mangochi Municipality, Chikole, Saladi Yusufu Ojesi, Independent, 1,246. Mwansa Ward, Kida Adamu, UDF, 1,241. Chigawe Ward, Xavier Nkoma Falamenga, DPP, 1,344. Nkanamwano, Tianjane Kashawa, DPP, 8,843 rather. Let me take that again. Nkanamwano, Tianjane Kashawa, DPP, 843. Ntumbasi, Yasini Jonas Solomoni, DPP, 1,085. Ndege Ward, Imani Chisuse Kasimu, UDF, 491. Mikoma, Ishmael Oera Nedi, DPP, 1,862. Nsukamwere, Roda Banda, DPP, 750. Nsikisi, George Alex Nyungwa, DPP, 1,691. Tipite tsopano ku Machinga Northeast, Nyambi, Suwema Yaya Pichesi, DPP 6,846. Machinga Northeast Mpiri Ward, White Kandulu Makochera, DPP 2,689. Machinga Southeast Ngokwe Ward, Langson Twaibu Maeso UDF 4,690. Machinga Southeast Sakwi Ward, Goodson Nkaku Independent 3,992. Machinga Central Masanje Ward, Jairosi Georgi Mapata, DPP 6,725. Machinga Central Mbonechera, Gladys Singano, DPP 5,303. Machinga East Nkowola Ward, Joseph Chitsulo UDF 5,826. Machinga East Nchiguza Ward, OJC Nakulota, DPP 3,869. Machinga Mikoko Mizinga Ward, Shamimu Mafkeni, DPP 4,571. Machinga Mikoko Kawinga Ward, Hassani Dinala Mangani Independent 4,220. Machinga Central East Kanjuli Ward, Simplex Adamson Diwa, DPP 4,357. Machinga Central East Mlomba Ward, Aufi Ngulinga, DPP 5,038. Machinga Likwenu Molipa Ward, Emmanuel Mwanayeka, DPP 3,426. Machinga Likwenu Sitola Ward, Martin Kaonja Madani, DPP 7,359. Machinga South Chikala Ward, Saidi Makwemba, DPP 8,180. Machinga South Likwenu Stephen Alexander Nkwatula, DPP 4,140. Tsopano tipite ku Balaka. Balaka Ulongwe Shire Ward, James Hare Manondo, DPP 4,197. Balaka Ulongwe Nkonde Ward, Swadik Mbwana Dixon, DPP 8,591. Balaka Bwaira Ulongwe Ward, Hastings Maluwa, DPP 4,415. Balaka Bwaira Chikowa Ward, Bison Paulo Bendala, DPP 4,406. Balaka Ngwangwa Nchengawede Tianjane Chisowire, DPP 9,505. Balaka Ngwangwa Liwawadzi Ward, Benson Mofolo, DPP 3,553. Balaka Rivirivi Lingala Ward, Macbesta Mbewe, DPP 4,016. Balaka Rivirivi Nchikumbe Osman Sani Mapira, DPP 15,347. Balaka Mulunguzi Kangankundi Michael Matias Chauluka Independent 4,711. Balaka Mulunguzi Nkalizi Ward, Bison Philemon Gombwa Independent 8,055. Tipiteno ku Zomba District. Zomba Malosa Lifani Ward, Ulemu F. Alfred. Let me take that again. Zomba Malosa Lifani Ward, Ulemu Alfred, DPP 7,553. Zomba Malosa Namingazi Ward, James Mpepo, DPP 8,223. Zomba Msondole Songani Ward, James Nkungwi, DPP 5,316. Zomba Msondole Naisi Ward, Shams Ngomano, DPP 5,598. Zomba Chingale Lisanjala Ward, Charles Nkwalula Clement, DPP 5,636. Zomba Chingale Milare Ward, William Kachepa, DPP 6,213. Zomba Chingale Lintipe Ward, Stein Manyowa, Independent 2,974. Zomba Likangala Chilwa Ward Ibrahim Kawina Independent 975. Zomba Likangala Nakombe Ward Masuso Chamusungwi James DPP 13,589. Zomba Likangala Chipola Ward Felix Malembo Independent 5,587. Zomba Changalume Chipini Ward Winos Louis Chindipa DPP 2,303. Zomba Changalume Namilongo Basta Chilwa DPP 6,525. Zomba Changalume Namadzi Ward Ganizani Malishe PP 5,055. Zomba Mtonya Ulumba Ward Derek Nicholas Mbela DPP 4,100. Zomba Ntonya Buleya Ward Chifundo Nchenga DPP 4,584. Zomba Matia Kankomba Ward Evans Davison Namakoka DPP 6,102. Zomba Matia Pirimiti Ward Esther Mbalame DPP 7,065. Zomba Tondwe Chimwalira Ward Mphatso Matindiri Independent 8,332. Zomba Tondwe General Ward John Chavuta DPP 5,650. Zomba Chikomwe Sunuzi Moses Leonard Taju DPP 6,559. Tipite tsopano ku Neno North Chilimbondo Montfort Bwanali DPP 2,466. Neno North Chikonde Martha Chapendeka DPP 5,257. Neno East Matope Ward Joe Ziambo Independent 2,577. Neno East Lisungwi Charles Kamulira DPP 2,988. Neno South Ligowe Ward Chipaliwali Joseph Katundu Independent 3,253. Neno South Chifunga Ward, let me take that again. Neno South Chifunga Ward Gwire Banda Mzinga DPP 2,355. Tipite tsopano ku Blantyre District. Blantyre North Chikwembere Ward McDonald Misasa DPP 10,550. Blantyre North Linjidzi Ward Akima Mustafa Chipwatali DPP 5,921. Blantyre Central Matindidziwe William Lucius Tumba Independent 4,716. Blantyre Central Ntenjera Ward Benson Kambalame DPP 5,397. Blantyre West Chikuli Ward Timve Figo DPP 3,974. Blantyre West Chileka Chikowa Dixon Limited DPP 5,961. Blantyre Northeast Nkwate Namwanje Margaret Isaac Mikta DPP 6,584. Blantyre Northeast Chilaweni Mudi Anthony Mitambo Kabuwe UDF 6,983. Blantyre Southwest Chigwaja Jime James Pritiko DPP 7,911. Blantyre Southwest Mpemba Lenzo Chifundo Kalonga DPP 5,301. Blantyre Southeast Naocha Ward Collins Fred Lubero DPP 4,695. Blantyre Southeast Sochi Ward McDonald Makina Zakaria DPP 5,287. Tipite no ku Zomba City. Zomba City North Masongola Anthony Gonani DPP 998. Zomba City North Chinamwali Hevixion Hare Manda, DPP 2,482. Zomba City North, Zomba Central, Daniel Zamani Ndazibere, DPP 1,497. Zomba City North Likangala, Munira Ron Bakali, Independent 2,489. Zomba City South Ntia, Maxwell Phineas, DPP 1,648. Zomba City South Jambo Ward, Juliana Fokoloni Piri, DPP 830. Zomba City South Mbedza, Stephen Bamosi, DPP 2,708. Zomba City South Mpira Ward, Christopher Masauto Jana, DPP 2,505. Zomba City South Sadzi William Makuludzo, DPP 2,184. Mwanza District. Mwanza Central Kudze Ward, Margaret Sundu, DPP 3,304. Mwanza Central Mitseche Ward, Isaiah Francis, DPP 4,720. Mwanza West Tambani Ward, Bandio Fraser, MCP 5,156. Mwanza West Mpandadzi Ward, Kaisi Mark Chimbalanga, Independent 4,687. Tipite tsopano ku Palombe. Palombe North, Kongoloni, Alex Wyson Mambo, DPP 5,969. Palombe North, Tundu Ward, Masauso Namalira, DPP 7,680. Palombe North East, Swangoma, Luke Watson Jeffrey, DPP 13,720. Palombe North East, Mauzi Ward, Simon Abraham, DPP 9,355. Palombe Majemba, Namisangwani Ward, Dixon Goodwell Kamukamu, DPP 5,920. Palombe Majemba, Mpasa Ward, Damson Samson Chipaka, DPP 6,029. Palombe South, Mulomba Ward, Maxwell Macford Katumba, DPP 8,126. Palombe South, Ligulezi, Judith Senjere Kaunda, DPP 10,144. Palombe East, Chiringa Ward, Wilson Nedson Mijenga, DPP 6,824. Palombe East, Sukasanje, Peter Ntikwa, DPP 5,443. Tipite no ku Chiradzulu. Chiradzulu Nyungwe, Nkhande Ward, Mphatso Mahata, DPP 6,150. Chiradzulu Nyungwe, Mbulumbudzi Magomero, Tokozani Chipatala, DPP 8,823. Chiradzulu Masanjala, Mwanje Ward, Deverson Manuel Maulera, DPP 6,400. Chiradzulu Masanjala, Mombezi Ward, Emmanuel Ayami Chaponda, DPP 8,775. Chiradzulu Tumbwe, Nanjati Ward, Dailes Munyapa, DPP 9,772. Chiradzulu Tumbwe, Maera Ward, Charity Diwopane, DPP 8,988. Chiradzulu Nguludi, Chisombezi Ward, Andrew Mondea, DPP 8,196. Chiradzulu Nguludi, Malawi Ward, Austin Solora, DPP 5,673. Chiradzulu Midima, Mitumbira Ward, Phyllis Mazinga, DPP 4,994. Chiradzulu Midima, Sakata Ward, Alik Sam Napio, DPP 8,222. Mulanje. Mulanje North, Mombezi Ward, Innocent Damiano Kaliati, DPP 4,937. Mulanje North, Mulomba Ward. Foster Stewart Kapanda, Independent, 4,621. Mulanje West, Namboya Ward. Dixon Kamowa, DPP, 7,024. Mulanje West, Nambiranje Ward. Mary Sikenala, DPP, 9,678. Mulanje Pasani, Chambe Ward. Francis Patrick Mturuwe, Independent, 6,431. Mulanje Pasani, Chole Ward. Daniel Riverson Chauluka, DPP, 6,287. Mulanje Southwest, Chikuli Ward. Beatrice Mulato, DPP, 9,422. Mulanje Southwest, Mulemba Ward. Smart Nikisi Gerald, DPP, 7,281. Mulanje Limbuli, Muloza Ward. Jackson Mwela, DPP, 3,409. Mulanje Limbuli, Limbuli Ward. George Ngangande, Independent, 7,401. Mulanje South, Chitagale Ward. Humphreys Ganizani Mchenga, DPP, 9,409. Mulanje South, Sapitwa Ward. Richard Fanuel Mulingano, DPP, 8,074. Mulanje Central, Mtenjera Ward. Tokozani Virtuous Namoyo, PDP, 5,823. Mulanje Central, Tabwa Ward. Mike Uloko, DPP, 5,716. Mulanje Southeast, Mimosa Ward. Richard Shikwakwa, DPP, 4,448. Mulanje Southeast, Milonde Ward. Mike Skinner, Independent, 5,950. Mulanje Bale, Msikawanjala. Stanford Lakson Mawila, DPP, 5,492. Mulanje Bale, Nkumbiza Ward. Kingston Misasa, Independent, 5,866. Blantyre City. Blantyre City South Lunzu, Ntawira Ward. Innocent Piri, DPP, 3,154. Blantyre City South Lunzu. South Lunzu, Jonas Kamwendo, DPP, 5,056. Blantyre City South Lunzu, Nkolokoti Chikapa. Luce Mlota Magalasi, DPP, 2,954. Blantyre City Michiru Chilimba, Michiru. Yolanda Nelly Longwe, Independent, 1,656. Blantyre City Michiru Chilimba, Chilimba Ward. Uje Selasi Yesaya, Independent, 4,793. Blantyre City Michiru Chilimba, Namatate. Let me take that again. Blantyre City Michiru Chilimba, Namatete. Harriet Piri, DPP, 2,631. Blantyre City Mapanga Mpingwe Nzedi, Mapanga Mzedi. Eric Isaac Mofolo, DPP, 5,035. Blantyre City Mapanga Mpingwe Mzedi, Mpingwe Ward. Stanley Banda Kampambale, DPP, 4,823. Blantyre City Mapanga Mpingwe Nzedi, Bangwe Mtopwa. Isaac Imulani Osman, DPP, 6,131. Blantyre City Ndirande Malabada Nyambadwe, Ndirande Malabada. Bosco Mateyu Banda, DPP, 2,828. Blantyre City Ndirande Malabada Nyambadwe, Nyambadwe Ndirande New Lines Jinare Corner. Lawrence Semani, DPP, 3,914. Blantyre City Ndirande Malabada Nyambadwe, Ndirande Makata. Tom Lita, DPP, 3,561. Blantyre City Chilomoni Kabula Nancholi, Chilomoni. Philip Kameta, DPP, 5,726. Blantyre City Chilomoni Kabula Nancholi, Namiwawa Sunnyside. Richard Kamwendo, DPP, 6,960. Blantyre City Chilomoni Kabula Nancholi, Nancholi Manyowe, Tendai Hastings Gunde DPP 4,796. Blantyre City Mbayani Musa Magasa Ward, Fred Elliot Msiambiri DPP 5,485. Blantyre City Mbayani Musa Magasa, Mbayani Railway Line, Ngerezi Edwin Shintuli DPP 3,918. Blantyre City Mbayani Musa Magasa, Nangwenya Ward, Derek Mposha DPP 1,349. Blantyre City Nkolokoti Ndirande Matope, Ndirande Maketa, Mary Kachale DPP 3,256. Blantyre City Nkolokoti Ndirande Matope, Maone Ward, Daniel Kolowa DPP 2,591. Blantyre City Nkolokoti Ndirande Matope, Anderson Filippo DPP 6,847. Blantyre City Chichiri Misesa, Limbe Chiwembe, Gerard Paul Lipikwe DPP 10,226. Blantyre City Chichiri Misesa, Manje Mpachika Ward, Lyson London Jangale DPP 3,499. Blantyre City Chichiri Misesa, Chigumula Namame, Iani Kalongonda DPP 3,408. Blantyre City Sochi Zingwangwa, Chitawira Nkolokosa Manja, Dalitso Zuma Chapita DPP 3,806. Blantyre City Sochi Zingwangwa, Mibawa Bismarck, Leni Scholastica Kadzeya DPP 2,488. Blantyre City Zingwangwa, Sochi Chimwankunda Namwiri, Alinafe George Chipwete DPP 3,386. Blantyre City Chigumula, BCA Club Banana, Chigumula Club Banana, Elson Alufeo Dumuka DPP 6,498. Blantyre City Chigumula BCA Club Banana, BCA Hills Chigumula, Dita Weston Kalinda DPP 7,398. Blantyre City Chigumula BCA Club Banana, Bangwe na Miango, Joseph Naison Magwinja DPP 3,548. Tipite tsopano ku Chikwawa. Chikwawa West, Chimwanjale Ward, Alexander Watchson DPP 13,635. Chikwawa West, Chibisa Ward, Gabriel Dinero DPP 4,993. Chikwawa North, Ndalanda Ward, Clement Nelio Kamoto DPP 7,575. Chikwawa North, Mwampanzi Ward, Wyson Dad Bushi DPP 3,851. Chikwawa Central West, Lengwe Ward, Charles Michael Machilika DPP 9,437. Chikwawa Central West, Nchalo Ward, Erickson Navaya Elijah Independent 4,697. Chikwawa Central, Bwabwali Ward, Stonken Light DPP 10,323. Chikwawa Central, Nchombwa Ward, Clement Mwanyenga Nisto DPP 9,392. Chikwawa East, Mankwira North, David Lawrence Bechani DPP 7,465. Chikwawa East, Mankwira South, Lonjezo Goba DPP 4,272. Chikwawa Nkombezi, Alumenda Ward, Precious Banda DPP 7,363. Chikwawa Nkombezi, Mikalango Ward, Obre Masanza DPP 12,104. Chikwawa South, Makande Ward, Martin Goche Independent 8,444. Chikwawa South, Kawanda Ward, Brian Weviston Kanchewere DPP 7,413. Cholo District. Cholo Mikolongwe Ward, Sosten Daniel, DPP 9,508. Cholo Mikolongwe, Chinamuhuru, Mese Zapirana, DPP 3,098. Cholo Goliati, Muonekera Ward, Elisha Joel William Milanzi, DPP 15,788. Cholo Goliati, Ntunda Osema, George Jailosi, DPP 6,129. Cholo Vumbwe Masenjere, Vumbwe Ngomano, Cosmas Chifuniro Patford, DPP 11,236. Cholo Vumbwe Masenjere, Masenjere Madwale, Dennis Yohane Company, DPP 5,142. Cholo Konjeni Mangunda, Mangunda Ward, Stephen Isesi, DPP 4,315. Cholo Konjeni Mangunda, Konjeni Ward, Togozani Konje, Independent, 8,790. Cholo Central, Masambankunda Mpeni, Clement Chingwalu, DPP 7,832. Cholo Central, Nchima Ward, John Matias Olima, DPP 6,689. Cholo Tava, Zimbiri Ward, Nefta Jere Montfort, DPP 5,547. Cholo Tava, Tava Ward, Rain Namalomba, DPP 10,165. Cholo Masambanjati, Masambanjati Ward, Chimangeni Rabson, DPP 5,932. Cholo Masambanjati, Zoa Ward, Laudoni Chifundo Ntutua, DPP 5,421. Cholo Tegerani, Mapanga Ward, Maggie Davis, DPP 3,953. Cholo Tegerani, Tegerani Ward, Isaac Pedro, DPP 4,304. Luchenza Municipality. Tujira Ward, Waison Movilikana, DPP 748. Namadzi Ward, Samson Stefano, Independent, 592. Tundu Ward, Henderson Alex Spoonie, DPP 943. Namisonga Ward, Grivin Zeus Namukopo, DPP 554. Sambagalu Bima Ndalama, DPP 581. Nsanje North, Kalulu Ward, Georgina W. Elias, DPP 5,726. Nsanje North, Ruo Ward, Aaron Mpakula, DPP 5,260. Nsanje Lalanje, Damiston Lupia, DPP 4,750. Nsanje Lalanje, Mlonda Ward, Musa Fachi, DPP 3,469. Nsanje Central, Misamvu Ward, Elia Mtize, DPP 5,023. Nsanje Central, Chigumugire Ward, Kafumpe Sinosidzowa, DPP 5,199. Nsanje Southwest, Nyamadzere Ward, Esnat Raphael Cementi, DPP 8,368. Nsanje Southwest, Chekerere Ward, Chigu Mairo Siwinji, DPP 2,425. Nsanje South, Matundu Ward, Landani Mperuga Alufazema, DPP 4,830. And Nsanje South, Nyashilenda Ward, Omar Henry Charles, DPP 5,272. Amenewa ndiwo mayina aiwo amene apambana pa chisankho cha makhansala ndipo tiafunire onse zabwino zonse. Now perhaps the nation may be asking, what does MEC do after the elections? Many people believe that once the results of the election are announced, the work of the commission comes to an end. In reality, that is far from the truth. For the Commission, the declaration of results marks not the end, but the beginning of another important phase in the electoral cycle. As we all know, elections are not a single-day event. They are processes that evolve before, during, and long after polling day. Allow us, therefore, to outline a brief summary of what the Commission will be embarking on as we look forward to the 2030 general election. Number one is the post-election evaluation and documentation of lessons learned. A major undertaking after elections is the post-election evaluation, often referred to as the post-mortem. This is a comprehensive review of the entire electoral process, from voter registration through to the announcement of results. It is a time for deep reflection and learning. Together with stakeholders, we will identify areas where operations went smoothly and where improvements are necessary. We will assess our logistical systems, our results transmission mechanisms, and or our coordination at all administrative levels. We will also examine the performance of the technology, the voter education strategies, and the communication with stakeholders, and the participation of all CSOs that were accredited to conduct civic and voter education for the 2025 general election. The purpose of this post-mortem is not to assign blame, but to extract lessons that can help the Commission and stakeholders to perform even better in the next elections. The findings from the post-mortem will be compiled into a formal lessons learned report, which will serve as an institutional memory as well as reference materials as the Commission prepares for the next general election. In terms of the conduct of by-elections, as we sit today, we have 5 constituencies where elections did not take place, and the Commission will have to conduct by-elections, and the following are those constituencies. Nkhotakota Liwaladzi in Nkhotakota, following a court order. Lilongwe City and Tandile Mtsiliza in Lilongwe City, following the nullification of the election by the Commission on account of the mishandling of void votes at the council office in contravention of procedures stipulated by law. Lilongwe City Bwaira constituency in Lilongwe City, following the nullification of the election by the Commission on the same account of the mishandling of void votes. Dedza Mtakataka in Dedza, following a court order. Blantyre West in Blantyre District, following the death of a candidate. Dowangala, Lintembwe Ward, following a court order. The Commission also wishes to inform the nation that it has filed appeals against the judgments of the High Court relating to the matters in Dedza Mtakataka, Nkhotakota Liwaladzi, and Dowangala. The outcome of these processes will also have a bearing on the by-elections that we have talked about. We also have 7 wards where local government elections did not take place. This number 1 is the Iembe ward in Karonga Songwe constituency, where a candidate was inadvertently omitted from the ballot paper. Luinga ward, Mzuzu City North constituency, following the death of a candidate. Chilobwe ward in Lilongwe Chilobwe constituency, following the death of a candidate. Msitu ward in Mchinji South constituency, also following the death of a candidate. Similarly in Mikongo ward in Mangochi North East constituency. In Chanda ward, Zomba Chikomwe constituency, because the withdrawal of a candidate at the last minute was not effected on the ballot paper in time for the election. Chilunga ward in Zomba City North, following the death of a candidate. The Commission will be advising the nation when these by-elections will be held in the 5 constituencies and the 7 wards. The Commission wishes to assure the nation that the by-elections will be held as soon as possible so that the people in those wards and constituencies can also have their representation accordingly. We are also going to have a midterm review and strategic planning. As we speak now, we have a strategic plan that is running from 2023 through to 2028. This election has come at a time when we're midway in the implementation of this strategy. We will use this process to measure progress against the objectives that we had set for ourselves, including in relation to the electoral processes like voter registration, election logistics, results management, stakeholder engagement, and institutional reforms. The midterm review is going to help us realign our priorities in light of the lessons learned and the emerging realities in the electoral environment. As we conclude, allow us to express our gratitude. Now that we've come to the end of everything, crowning the 2025 general election, allow me, on behalf of the Commission, to join the CEO in thanking all the electoral stakeholders that we have worked with to deliver this election. We wish to extend our heartfelt appreciation to all Malawians, first of all, for your active participation in the 2025 general election, starting from registration, transfers, inspection, nomination, and polling, and even in the results management, as you patiently awaited the Commission to conduct its processes before declaring the results. Your commitment as a people to democracy, your patience during voting and results management, and your continued calmness throughout the process have demonstrated remarkable civic responsibility. By maintaining peace and order, you have shown the world that Malawi remains a beacon of democratic values and maturity. We have delivered an election that is an example not only to the SADC, not only to Africa, but indeed to the entire world. We also express our gratitude to all the candidates, whether independent or sponsored by political parties, for participating in this election. Your participation goes to strengthen our democracy. We also wish to express our gratitude to the CMD, the NECOF, the platforms that were in use during the electoral cycle to assist us in our engagement with stakeholders. We also wish to express our sincere gratitude to all partners and service providers who made this electoral process possible. Special mention goes to Airtel Malawi, TNM, MTL, ESCOM, Ngenco, MACRA, and MERA for ensuring seamless communication, reliable power supply, and effective data transmission systems. In a special way, we also want to express our gratitude to Simo Multimedia for the wonderful multimedia services and experiences here at the National Tally Center. To all other service providers, even though we may not have mentioned you by name, we say your contributions were instrumental in enabling the Commission to deliver credible, transparent, and efficient electoral processes. Our profound appreciation also goes to the management and staff of this facility, the Umodzi Park, for hosting us and providing excellent facilities during this crucial national event. We took over the premises and I'm sure disturbed business for quite a number of days, but you graciously hosted us. To that we are grateful. We also express our gratitude to the Malawi Police Service, the Malawi Defense Force, the Malawi Prison Services, the Department of Immigration, for your professionalism and dedication in maintaining peace and security and order throughout the electoral period, all the way from Chitipa to Nsanje. Your collaboration under the task force ensured that the elections were conducted in a safe and secure environment for every Malawian and for every stakeholder. We also recognize the invaluable contribution from the media for keeping the public informed, promoting transparency, enhancing accountability, and also helping us to curb misinformation and disinformation. To our sign language interpreters who helped us to be inclusive in our declarations and all our messaging, we also express our gratitude. The Commission also wishes to express gratitude to the Malawi government for fully and timely funding all activities in this electoral cycle, and to our development partners for the financial and technical support under the Malawi Election Support Program. Our appreciation also goes to the National Registration Bureau, the Malawi National Examinations Board, and indeed the Elections Transport Task Force for your invaluable collaboration that went into the success of this election. Lastly, and finally, certainly not least, we extend our deep appreciation to all MEC staff, both permanent and temporary, for your tireless, selfless, and excellent work, commitment, and diligence under the strategic guidance of the Commission and the leadership of the executive management led by the CEO. Your dedication to national and public service has made this exercise a national and a global success. As the Malawi Electoral Commission, we affirm our commitment to attain and keep attaining our vision of being a professional and trusted electoral management body that delivers credible elections in Malawi, as we strive to accomplish our mission, which is to deliver credible elections according to the laws of Malawi, to entrench democratic values by implementing MEC's activities in a free, fair, transparent, cost-effective, and inclusive manner. I thank you all. God bless you. God bless Malawi.
Let us pray. Our Heavenly Father, we once again thank you for giving us the time that we had today. As we close the 2025 general elections activities, Father, I would like to thank you for the time that you have been giving us, the guidance that you have given us, as well as the protection that you have given us. You have been there during the voter registration. Your hand has been there during the nominations and all the activities that have happened. Father, we have seen your hand even during the result management. We would like to thank you for all the protection and the good health that you have given, and the wisdom that you have given to our commissioners, staff, and the security agencies in Malawi, and everyone that took part in the management of these general elections. Father, we would like to seek the same guidance and protection in the upcoming activities which the Commission will be conducting. In the name of Jesus we pray. Amen.
Zomwe kwambiri pamene tafikapo ndi pamapeto pa zonse, ndi pemphe kuti woyamba watuluka muno akhale ma commissioners athu. Zomwe kwambiri kenako ena tonse.
Osayiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.